Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Drive for AI extraction workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Google Drive for AI extraction workflows, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Once signed in, create a new Google Cloud project. Click on the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the page. Then, select New Project. Enter a name for your project and click Create. After creating the project, ensure it is selected in the drop-down menu. Next, activate the Google Drive API. In the left sidebar, navigate to APIs and Services. Click on Library. Search for Google Drive API using the search bar. Select the Google Drive API from the results. Click on the Enable button to activate the API for your project. Once the API is enabled, navigate to Credentials in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Credentials button. Select OAuth 2.0 client IDs from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to configure the consent screen. Choose External if your application is for users outside your organization. Fill in the required fields such as the application name and user support email. Click Save and Continue to proceed through the optional steps. Returning to the Credentials page, complete the OAuth 2.0 setup. Choose the application type as Web Application. Enter a name for your OAuth client ID. Set the authorized redirect URIs based on your application's requirements. Click Create to generate your new credentials. Take note of the client ID and client secret provided. Now, download the credentials file for later use. To authorize your Google Drive, you'll need to implement OAuth 2.0 in your code. Utilize libraries available for your chosen programming language, like Python or JavaScript. Ensure you follow the OAuth flow to authenticate users and gain access tokens. Once authenticated, your application can interact with Google Drive for AI extraction workflows. Test the integration to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.